Host. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated cars of 2025, the GALiR. This futuristic ride is packed with cutting-edge technology, bold design, and jaw-dropping performance. So, buckle up as we explore the exterior, interior, performance, and final verdict on whether this car is worth your money. Let's get started. 1. Exterior. Host. The 2025 GALiR is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and modern styling. With its sleek LED lighting, aggressive front grille, and sculpted body lines, this car commands attention on the road. The front fascia features a futuristic holographic badge that lights up when the car is in motion. How cool is that? And check out these wheels, available in 19, 20, or even 21-inch alloy designs that add to the sporty aesthetic. At the rear, you get a full-width LED light bar and a subtle spoiler for added aerodynamics. Whether you go for the coupe, sedan, or SUV version, the GALiR stands out in every way too. Interior. Host. Step inside the GALiR, and you're greeted with a minimalistic yet ultra-modern cabin. The first thing you'll notice: the massive curved OLED touchscreen that controls nearly everything, from navigation to climate settings. But don't worry, there are still some physical buttons for essential functions. The seats are wrapped in vegan leather or premium Alcantara, depending on your trim. Plus, the ambient lighting system offers over 64 colors, letting you set the mood however you like. Oh, and did I mention the augmented reality heads-up display? It overlays navigation and driving info directly onto the windshield, like something out of a sci-fi movie. And of course, there's the AI-powered voice assistant, which can adjust settings, suggest routes, or even tell you jokes if you're feeling bored. Tech lovers, this car is made for you. 3. Performance. Host. Alright, let's talk performance, because the GALiR isn't just about looks and tech, it's got serious power under the hood. Depending on the model, you get a standard 2.0L turbocharged engine with 300 horsepower. A hybrid variant pushing out 400 horsepower with enhanced fuel efficiency. And for thrill seekers, the GALiR Performance Edition, an all-electric AWD beast with 600 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds. Handling is just as impressive thanks to adaptive suspension and a torque vectoring AWD system. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through mountain roads, the GALiR feels planted and responsive. And for EV lovers, the electric model offers an impressive 400-mile range per charge, with fast charging capabilities that get you 80% battery in just 20 minutes. Host. So, is the 2025 GALiR worth it? If you're looking for a car that blends futuristic design, high-tech features, and exhilarating performance, this could be your perfect ride. With multiple configurations available, from gas, hybrid, to full electric, there's a GALiR for everyone. Pricing starts at $45,000 for the base model, while the high-performance electric version goes up to $85,000. It's definitely a strong contender in its segment. That wraps up today's review. What do you think about the 2025 GALiR? Would you buy one? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting car content. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome. Outro music plus subscribe button animation. Dash.